So we ride as some classics barbing salon, abi some classic here at Berigbe, Lagos State, Ikorodu. So this is Samuel, that's Samizi, Salon Affairs. Stop playing. We're not joking with the business. The business is real. We are too real to fake it. So we are right at the street of Berigbe. Trying to serve Samizi better. With his clipper blade. His blade are blunts for now. So that's the machine on the floor. So we want to start work now. So I'd like you to subscribe to the channel. It's not a playing, it's not a joking thing. We've been telling you about our business and we are so real about it. So we started the game in Lagos. We've been to tour Ghana. We did this in Ghana. We did in other parts of the Africa, and now we are in Lagos. So we are doing the same thing. We are too real. So we want to do the practical now. After now, we test the blade and you see the efficacy of the machine. So Saloon Affairs, we're not playing. Stay right with us. So Samizi, what do you want to tell your customers and people that are want to patronize us?
Okay, actually, based on how they are speaking, I think they are good. But let me see if I can confirm it.
All right. Samizi said he wants to see the real thing. So we want to clear his doubt now. Sir, this is our sharpening oil. That's the liquid for the sharpening. So what we do now is we oil the sharpening discs. If the oil is much on the surface, you clean a little. So this is the sharpening compound. That's the sharpening powder. So we want to clear some easies. That's somewhere's doubt today. That Salon Affairs clipper sharpening machine works perfectly right in the street of Lagos. So this is a bar magnet. So you turn the machine on. You go. Yeah. Done with this. This is okay. So Samizi, we test this. This is the first blade we just finished sharpening. So that's the first blade we just finished sharpening. So Samizi want to test it. That's Samizi's barbing salon. That's it. Right in the street of Lagos. Samizi's barber shop. Yeah, that's it. A very nice place. So if you are close by, you can come and patronize Samizi's barber shop. What's your address?
My address is at Berigbe Igbokita Road.
Okay, the Berigbe Igbokita Road.
Function Plaza.
Okay, Function.
Function Plaza. This is Function.
Yeah, Function Plaza, Igbokita Road. Yeah, Igbokita Road. Function Plaza Complex, Igbokita Road. Yeah, the road that leads to Ijabode. Yabi? Yeah. So this is Imota Road. So if you are close by, you can come and patronize Samizi. It's a very good barber. He can give you the best of what you've never had from any other shop else. So we want you to come and patronize in Salon Affairs. We're just serious about what we're doing. We don't fake anything. So this is Samizi testing the clipper blade. So he's trying to couple it on his clipper. So after this, he will test it with hair to see the efficacy of the machine and how sharp is the blade.
It's nice.